Yes, sir.
Praneshwar will tell. Who was laughing? Praneshwar? Tell her.
Sudarshana, sir.
That Praneshwar will tell her.
Very unique voice. Easily identified, sir. Yes, sir. Record and keep it, sir. Whenever you need evidence.
We'll call one by one here to laugh. Okay? Huh? Yes. We'll come back to topic. Silent boy Praneshwar only, not laughing. Yes or no, Praneshwar?
Usually laughing for everything, sir.
So 4 waveform we have discussed, right? Now, fifth waveform. RMS value you have to find, okay? Current I versus time graph given, and graph given like this. Like this, okay? Plus minus. Value here I naught, and this value here minus I naught. This is T by 2, this is T. You have to find I RMS here. Everybody will try this.
Sir, I not, sir. Same like average, sir. I not.
Okay. Everybody mathematically by integration you should get this. Okay. Here area method don't apply here. Area method only for average value, not for RMS value. Understanding? Area method only for average value. Here is square we are doing now.
Can we take this down and then do this area?
That you can do.
I not, sir.
I not, okay. Got everybody? Akshay Krishnan, you are not doing. Okay, so by integration method, if we see root over, try to apply integration method. Here, first tell me that complete function. This is symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Symmetrical. RMS value always calculated for full cycle. Full cycle. Even though if you take half of cycle, then also answer will be same. Like here you see, we'll take half of cycle and we'll check whether same coming or not. 0 to T by 2. What is the value of I here? Tell me. I naught. So I naught square we will do, Nara? Yes or no? I square dt plus T by 2 to T. What is the value here? Function value minus I naught. But we have to do square, Nara? Yes or no? I naught square into dt. Divide by time interval is what? T. Time period is T. Yes or no? Now see if you solve this. You have not tried. What your name? Tiviksha. What your name? Rishika. Flower making Rishika. Sitting in front of me.
Not listening class.
Not listening class. Very correct. Okay, silent.
You know me, sir. I'll come and meet
Yeah, I know you. Your name Tiviksha. Rishika. DT integration is what, na? Can we write t by 2? Yes or no?
T by 2.
Plus, minus I naught whole square. What will I tell me? I naught square.
I
And
whole
integration is what? T and put the limit t by t minus t by 2. How much?
That's T by 2, sir.
T by 2 divide by what? T. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me I naught square t by 2 plus I naught square t by 2. What we can write numerator?
I naught square.
Okay. Or can we cancel here? The t cancel here. I naught square by 2 plus I naught square by 2. 2 I naught square. Na? Root over I naught square. What is root over I naught square value? I naught. So I RMS is what? I naught. Even directly if you do 0 to t you do. 0 to t you do, then what will get? Tell me 0 to t I naught square into dt only or not?
Yes, sir.
And divide by t. Understanding? What will write here? I naught square outside. Dt integration is what? T. T by t and t what? Cancel. Then again you will get what? I naught only. Understanding? And we know already for constant function, RMS value, average value, peak value is what? Same. That is I naught. Understood everybody? Everybody understood? Na?
Yes, sir.
So RMS we have calculated here. For symmetrical waveform, you can calculate directly for full cycle. Okay. Now, sixth waveform, V versus T, waveform given like this. Zero t by 2, t, 3t by 2, and so on. V naught, what is the RMS value of this function? Everybody, fast. Don't remember any formula, any answer don't remember. If waveform change, answer change here. Concept remember how to solve.
I naught by root 2. I naught by root 2.
I naught by root 2.
I
not
naught
by root 2,
two.
sir.
V naught by root 2.
V naught by root 2. Voltage, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Getting everybody? Tell me t by 2 to t, what is function value? Function value is what?
0.
In this you put na, t by 2 to t function value is what? 0. Only this you will get here. V naught square t by 2 divide by what? T. V naught square by 2 root over what you will get? V naught by root. Understanding here?
Yes, sir.
So V RMS we will get here root
V
over
not by root
0 to t by 2 V naught square dt plus 0. Second function part 0 and this is t. So we will get here V naught by root 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
In NCERT only sine wave RMS and average and peak. Okay, not these waveform you will not find. But in exam, NEET or in Akash exam in package you'll find all these waveform. That's why discussing. Now, seventh waveform, we'll see how many of you will answer. This is little. This if you can answer, then over. This is V naught. This is T, 2T, and so on. Can you tell me what is the RMS value of this function?
V naught by root 2.
Area method, no. Here
V naught by root, sir.
V naught by
Root
Sir,
3,
V not
sir.
by root 3, sir.
V naught by root 3. Think about this, everybody. How?
V naught, sir.
Okay. So we got V naught, we got V naught by root 2, we got V naught by root 3. Then
V not sir.
V naught. Okay.
V not sir.
Hmm. V naught. Okay. Area method don't apply here. I'm telling here we are squaring the function and then we are integrating. Are you understanding? Not same function we are integrating. We are squaring the function, then we are integrating. है ना? This is important question here.
V not.
V naught. Okay.
V not.
V naught. Any other answer? V naught. Online, anybody? Any other answer here?
V naught only.
V naught only.
V naught by root 3.
Adisri, any answer? Adisri? Adisri.
E naught by root 3.
You have listened, Hana, what others told, and that you are repeating. Okay. See everybody how to solve this. 1, 2. I know that only 1, 2 students they can they have answered. Remaining all are 0. Nothing no about this. How to calculate here? First of all, you know we have to find RMS. RMS means root 0 to t time period v square dt divided by 0 to t dt. We should know function value first. What is the v value? Tell me first. Is this v constant? 0 to t voltage constant or variable? 0 to t time period yaar voltage constant or variable? Abhi nonsense see na. Here time voltage here different. Here time voltage is different. Here time voltage is different. 0 to t function variable or not? And this is y equal to mx line or not? Yes or no? First you should find the function value. What is function value? Tell me. What will write function value? Can we write y equal to mx? Y equal to mx line, you know. Okay, this is y equal to mx line or not? What is y here? Tell me. Y is what? V voltage. M. What is M? Slope. What is the slope of this? What is the slope of this here? V naught divided by t or not? Tan theta. V naught divided by t into t. This is the equation or not? This is the put here. Small t equal to 0. What is voltage? 0. Small t equal to capital T. What is the voltage? V naught or not? Y equal to mx line or not? We got function value. After getting function value, now I can substitute and I can get function. You have to find. Earlier we have seen in constant, like in this diagram, function value constant or not? Here function is not constant. Here variable. Voltage varies with respect to time linearly. So now I will put the values here. V naught and capital T. Tell me both are constant or not? V naught and T both are constant.
Yes,
Square
sir.
this.
They will come out.
What you will get? V naught square by T square integral T square dt will get or not? 0 to T time interval or not? Denominator what time? Tell me. T only or not? Now
T, sir.
Square dt. What is the integration? What is the integration of T square?
T
Put the limit. What you will get? Put the limit. What you will get? V naught square by T square. This is what? T cube divided by what? 3. And one more T is their denominator. Now cancel. What you will get? Tell me. T square T cube cancel or not? V naught square by 3 root over. What you will get this? V naught divided by root 3. Is this clear? Everybody understood this? Note down. Y equal to mx line this. Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Now eighth one. V naught T to T V versus T. VRMS.
Sir, for 9th one, I naught by root 3, sir.
Sir, I naught by root 3, sir, for 9th one.
Yes, sir, I not doing.
Eighth one. So these are homework for you. You don't know, na, so you should know. Homework. This you have to do here because it is little time consuming. That you have to make the function. This is, you know, this time is what? T by 2, 0 to T by 2 different function, T by 2 to T different function. And then integrate. And one more simple way I will say, like average value for triangular waveform. How much we got?
V naught by
V naught by
2.
2.
Similarly, RMS value for any triangular waveform will be V naught by root 3. Will be V naught by root 3 triangular waveform. Understanding here? This you can remember. In remembering you are expert. Can remember this. And try to prove if you get time, that make function and integrate, square and integrate. You will get. Clear? Coming up?
Now explain, sir. She will explain to class, sir.
Absolutely wrong. You tell me 0 to t 0 to t function value you have taken V naught. Is this constant?
No.
0 to t voltage changing, then increasing, then decreasing. V naught square you integrated. This is wrong, I know it will take time. That's why I told that you people do it in home. It will take time. Nobody can do in 1 minute. I also, because here we have to make function 0 to T by 2. We have to make function T by 2. We have to make function. Then we have to square and then we have to integrate. Okay. Then root also we have to take. It's good, yeah. Silence. At least she is confident that she will get. Yes. Okay. You can do that. I'm telling you can do. You have to make function and then integrate. Okay. Square and integrate. Now 10th one. Chocolate questionnaire. Everybody will see who will answer. Yes. Chocolate question. Okay. To Risika 2 chocolate if you get. Okay. See everybody, voltage versus time graph. Time limit is there. Okay, it's not that by night you send me answer. Now you have to answer. This is 10. This is -4. 0, 2, 4. Yes, find the VRMS. 51 time is there. 5 minute time giving you. 5 minutes is very much time for this questionnaire. RMS value.
Sir, 1 by 2 root 2, sir.
1 by 2 root 2. Who is telling?
Gautam.
Who is telling? Okay. And if you get wrong answer, you have to give me chocolate. Okay. This is 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. One answer we got this. Any other answer? Fast.
Sir, 5 plus 2 root 3 by root 3.
5 plus 2
Root 3 by root 3, sir.
2 root 3 by root 3.
Sir, whole divided by root 3.
Okay, this one. 5 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Okay. 5 plus 2 root 3 by 3, right?
2 root 3 by 2, sir.
Root
2
3, sir.
2 root 3 by 2.
2, sir.
Means root 3 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try, everybody try. It's good that you are trying, na? Everybody will not try, I know.
Ten plus 5 root 3 by root 3.
10 plus
Root
5.
41, sir.
Yeah, somebody telling root 40.
Root 41.
Who is telling this?
Dhanvarsan, sir.
Dhanvarsan, okay. Yeah, what you telling? 5.
10 plus 5 root 3 by root 3.
This complete, na? Whole. Okay, root.
Not the whole root.
Okay. This only somebody told, I think. 5 plus. Okay, no, different. Any other answer? Acha, tell na anything. What is the time period of this wave? 4. But in 4 time period, function dividing in 2 parts are not? 0 to 2 different and 2 to 4 different. Everybody, now this hint I have given.
Sir, 1 by root 2, sir.
1 by root 2. Ajitesh, 1 by root 2. Okay. Any other answer? Fast. Atmika, Samyukta, Ananya. Answer everybody fast. Divya Bharti, Manoj. Leena.
Sir, 74 by 3.
Darsika, 74 by 3. Root or complete? Root 74 by 3?
Root, sir.
Okay. Root 74 by 3. Okay. Any other student? Any other answer? Root 4.
Only 4.
Root 4 means 2 only, na? Root 4 by root 4.
Root 41.
Root 41. Okay. I think so. I think that many of you have answered. We'll see whether correct or not. Okay, see everybody. Time also 5 minutes over, 56. See everyone. Here. Some of you have answered, I think. Okay. First of all, 0 to 2 different function and 2 to 4 different function. And time period is what? 4 only. After 4 seconds, same thing repeating. So I will write RMS whole root 0 to 2. Can you tell me what is function value here? 0 to 2, tell me y equal to mx line or not? Means v is equal to, what is the slope, tell me?
Not by t into
What is V?
10 by 2 t, sir.
10 by 2. It is 5 or not? V equal to 5t. Yes or no? 0 to 2 function value is 5t. Can you understand this? Everybody understand this here? So it means 5t square into what?
By t,
dt.
sir.
Then tell me 2 to 4. What is function value? 2 to 4. What is function value?
minus 4.
2 to 4 function value minus 4 or not? Minus 4 is square or not? Yes or no? Into what? dt. Divide by what is this? 4. This only have to do here, and you taking this much time. Now everybody will see here 5t square. How much will I tell me? 25. Yes or no? T square integration is what? T square integration t cube by 3 or not?
t cube by 3.
By 3. Many are differentiating. Integration this one here. So 0 to what? 2 plus minus 4 square. How much? Tell me. 16. dt integration what? Tell me. T limit is what? 2 to 4. Divide by what? 4. Is this clear? Now what mistake you are doing here? Everything clear? No, then why different answers getting? Now put t equal to 2 here. How much will get? Tell me. 8 or not?
Yes, sir.
So 25 into 8 divide by 3 or not? Plus
Yes, sir.
16 into
16, sir.
4. Put upper limit and one time lower limit. How much you will get? 4
That's
minus
2,
2,
sir.
2 only or not? Understanding everybody? Into 2. Divide by how much? 4. Now tell me. 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what value I will get here. 25 into 2 how much? 50 divided by 3 plus 4 into 2 how much? 8 and 3 8s are how much? 24. 24 plus 50 how much? 24 plus 50 how much are? 74 by 3. Only Darsika Nancy answered this. Only one student got answer root 74 by 3. Darsika, you only got na this answer.
Yes.
Understood everybody here? This is the RMS value. Clear? Everybody clear with this? So how to calculate RMS value? For that function we have to find first. And then we have to integrate. We have to put the proper limit. Any waveform they give. Now after